Well, I know what you're thinking. You've been so busy getting ready for holiday entertaining, you forgot to defrost the bird. Well, don't sweat it, because we've got a fast, safe, and easy way to get this defrosted and ready to go right into the grill, the smoker, or your oven. Let's get started. We're going to do a little bit of sink preparation, and then time to defrost this turkey. First thing we've got to do is do a little sink prep. So I've got some disinfectant spray, and what I'm going to do is make sure that I fully disinfect, clean, and wipe down my sink. I want to get this all ready for that turkey, making sure I keep things nice and safe. Okay, we're all prepped, clean, sanitized, dried, ready to go. Put our stopper in, turn on the cold water. Now we're gonna fill up with cold tap water until it's about halfway up the turkey, right? Then once we put the turkey in, should be fully submerged. So we'll go ahead and get our sink filled. Next up, we'll add the turkey. Okay, we've got the sink all prepped, sanitized, ready to go. We're filling it up with water. Let's talk food safety for just a minute. Now, this is gonna be an absolute rock solid frozen turkey. It is gonna go from your freezer into your sink. Now, 30 minutes per pound defrost time with cold tap water. What we're gonna do, put it in there, make sure the turkey is submerged, and then every 30 minutes, flip the turkey, drain the water, refill it. Now, 30 minutes per pound. So let's say you've got a 18-pound bird. It's gonna take you about 9 hours defrost time to get this up and ready to go, to get prepped and all that good stuff. Now, from a food safety standpoint, make sure when you are done, this needs to be prepped and go right into the grill. This is not to be defrosted the day before and left to sit in your fridge, because you want to get this defrosted fast, get it prepped, and get it into your grill, smoker, or into your oven. Talk safety, think safety. This is definitely something that is food safe approved. Approved by USDA Food Safety, and also recommended by National Turkey Federation. Just a great, safe, fast, easy way to get this prepped if you forgot to put it in the fridge and let it slowly defrost. So let's go, let's get it in the sink. Well, let's go ahead and put that turkey in there. Like I said, we want to make sure that this is submerged. So we'll go ahead and keep filling it up till that turkey's submerged in that water. But guess what? This is step number one. So once we get it submerged, we're going to go ahead and leave this for 30 minutes. We'll set a timer, and then we'll come back, change water, flip the turkey, get ready to go for the rest of the defrosting process. All right, here we are right after our initial 30 minutes. So we'll go ahead, pull the drain plug now. We're gonna fully drain this and then refill it again. Now, we're gonna repeat this process every 30 minutes where we drain it, refill it with that cold tap water. Like I said, figure about 30 minutes per pound. So for an 18-pound turkey, 9 hours. 12-pound turkey, 6 hours. So we'll complete this entire process, and then we'll see you back at the cutting board, show you what it looks like, all defrosted. Well, there you have it. After 9 hours in that water bath, changing it every 30 minutes, we are fully defrosted and ready to go. Now, like we said, from a food safety standpoint, you need to get this prepped, ready, and into your grill, smoker, or oven. Tell you what, that was a fast and easy, safe way to help me speed up turkey defrosting time. Phew, I'll tell you what, we saved ourselves on that one with a fast, safe, easy way to defrost turkey. Now, if you're looking for great ways to cook this turkey, stay tuned, because those videos coming up next.